find 0.35% of 400. So in order to do that, we're going to turn our percent into a decimal, and we do that by moving that decimal place 2 spots to the left and adding a 0. So I'm going to rewrite that. That's 0.0035, and of means multiply, so of 400. So we're going to go ahead and multiply that out over here on the side. Times 400. 0 times 5 and all those, that's a line of zeros. I have another line of zeros. I'm going to start with 2 0 placeholders, and I'm going to multiply the 4. 4 times 5 is 20, carry the 2. 3 times 4 is 12, plus a 2 is 14. The rest I have are going to be zeros. I had 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers behind the decimal, so I should have 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers behind the decimal. So my answer is going to be 1.4.